Today's feature is a bit unusual because weekend is coming. Instead of recent acquired mini cars, I'm going to unbox the 400% LBWK Bear Brick, which is massive as compared with the Aoshima mini cars collection. Apart from mini cars, I also have a very small collection of Bear Brick. Why I feature this? Because it's affiliated with LBWK and the theme is focused on Camry. This Bear Brick pairs perfectly with the Aoshima Grand Champion Camry, which I acquired years back. This Bear Brick was released last year. I have it for quite a while but I never feature. And very soon I will have a video on my recently acquired Fair Lady Z Bear Brick, also in 400%. But first, let's take a closer look at the Liberty Walk Camry by Aoshima. The Aoshima Grand Champion mini cars is very affordable. They come in a blind box. Although this Liberty Walk Camry is a regular release, it's in very high demand. It's now very hard to find. Details wise, it's very decent, although it's not very detailed given its price point. If I can recall, the retail price for individual box that is being sold at hobby shop or convenience stores is about 800 to 900 yen in Japan. It's totally random, so you can never be sure if you can get the Liberty Walk Camry. I like the simple details and the LBWK treatment. Whole casting is sitting very low, including the unique fenders. Looks even better out of the base. The paint job looks premium in high gloss finish. Details for the interior is decent, together with a very striking roll cage in yellow. Very basic base with rubber tires. And there's no better reason to pair this Camry with the Bear Brick. Next, the LBWK Bear Brick in 400 and 100%. Really like the graphic of the LBWK sticker bomb, is very arresting. The actual Camry is also showcased on the packaging. Details in English and Japanese. The whole packaging is very light because they are in plastic. I like the sticker bomb on the flap. The Bear Brick are very carefully sealed in the blister. Wow, it's very impressive. This is my first time to unbox the Bear Brick after getting them for a long time. I keep it sealed, I never opened it before. Looking very ideal with the Aoshima Camry. Although made by different maker, the body color is quite close. The headlights are imprint on the Bear Brick. Very loud LBWK label in gold and in heart shape. The LBWK logo type is plastered on the body. The fender and the wheels are at the side of the leg, striking LB performance marking, and also the very impressive sticker bomb on the back. The sticker bomb looks very awesome and is very nicely crafted, also accompanied by the rear light, including the Liberty Walk marking. The Aoshima Camry sits perfectly with the Bear Brick. The Medicom and Bear Brick logo is imprint on the base for authenticity. The 100% Bear Brick pairs equally well with the Camry in 1:64 scale. Although small in proportion, the details are equally refined as compared with the 400%. This will look awesome in photo shoot with the 164 Camry. The Bear Brick itself has the same paint finishing as the Aoshima. Overall, the LBWK Bear Bricks are a perfect match with the Aoshima Camry. I've been a Camry fan. There's no reason why I shouldn't get this Bear Brick, and I'm very happy to add this Bear Brick into my collection. Let me know if you'd like to see more unboxing video like this. And don't forget to sub to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in the comment section for more contents. Thanks everyone. Bye.